Okay guys, this is our Kenyir 4 trip. This time we are doing it a little bit different. Let me show you. We are going in inflatable boats. That is mine. And they are still unloading. Okay guys, I'm almost ready. So this trip I'm taking this inflatable boat. It's called TrueKit Discovery 3.3 meters. I got this from a YouTuber in New Zealand, Rocket Kid. So because of him, I bought this. Looks fun. Let's see. First time on the water. Ethan is going to go into that speedboat with the boatman, and then you can see two more inflatables here. So Zaf and Colin getting ready. So I think another 20 minutes we'll start to depart. Later. Colin going back already?
Bro. Please have 4 days to go.
Okay guys, let's go. Slowly. Hey guys, it's now 6 p.m. Colin is towing Ethan. We haven't found a campsite, so I think we have to scout and explore in the dark. Okay, see you later. Hey guys, this is our view from our campsite. We actually camp on an island right now. So let me show you our campsite. This is Colin's tub. Over there is Ethan's. This is my tent and tub. This is the main cooking area. Kevin's hammock. Oh, smells good, man, Colin. The garlic.
Hey man.
Zal's area. Cooking what? Sambal?
Nasi goreng ikan bilis.
Ooh, smells nice.
Thank you, man.
Okay, and then this one is YB's area. Hey, no, he didn't come. Oh shit. Never mind. This is our second day here. Really nice, calm water now. Showing you this side of the island. And that is our campsite. So now we're just going to go for some exploration. So we got to walk down this path here down to our boats there. Okay, this is our island. You can see our camps there. And yeah. This is the other side of our island. Quite dense. I'll show you the view. Okay, we're going on the cruise just to explore. So there's Colin in front of me and Zaf on the left. This area is beautiful. Yeah, that's our campsite. You can see the tents among the trees. Okay guys, we found a very nice area. Zaf, okay?
Alright, man. Awesome spot. Wow, look at the fish.
Oh, so 3 of us are here, but then nobody brought our fishing rods. Got fishes.
A lot, come on.
Over there, they got some sign of maybe elephant activity. There you go. Okay, we finished our exploring, so we are heading back to our camp. So that's our island there. This one. Thanks to Rod from TrueKit. My friends really like this boat, so expect another 2 orders soon. Kevin, your stove. You have a smoker here.
Smoking, yeah. So this one works on the concept of using smoke to cook. Dual purpose, it keeps away the insects and also it cooks your food. If you're a religious guy, you can use it for prayers.
I can't even see anything on the video. Okay, here's a sample of what we eat for meals. This is called lean sausage.
Okay, the oil won't
Very sausage. Very looks like very thick and short.
Japanese sausage. Yeah, Japanese. Oh, no Japanese writing on the packaging.
This trip, Colin's sleeping on this what is it called? The hut from Orang Asli built hut. Okay. This one is Zaf's nasi goreng ikan masin with anchovies. These monkeys.
Wow, too many days in the jungle.
What are you doing, man?
Half out of the water.
No, if you can be flat, like swimming, it should be less. Hey guys, today is day 3, Friday. I'll show you. These structures are actually built by, we believe, maybe the Orang Asli trappers, the Aborigines. So just to show you the way they built their camp. There you go. We know it's not city dwellers like us because they use, I think this is the bark of the tree to make rope to tie this structure together. So people like us will use raffia or paracord or some other rope. And then the ridge line here, they use a bamboo. And then supported by this. Let me show you more. Let's take a walk. Again abandoned. I believe there should be a lot of more sticks as the platform. So they are living off the ground. This is one. Okay, let's step through here. This is another platform, and there's one quite nice one here. Yeah, this is how it used to look like. So they'll stay off the ground, away from the creepy crawlies, and then like these scorpions as well. I saw a few earlier. And this looks like the remnant of a table. See? Still standing. I think it has been probably a few months. It's overgrown. And they probably come and probably stay here, I don't know, maybe a couple of months at a time. You can see the view. And there is a trail on this island that we're on right now. I think it's about maybe 500 meters long. And we can still see a trail that goes up into the higher part of the island, so we'll go and explore that later. You can see. Okay, let me go. Okay, let's take a short walk. This is the trail I was saying earlier. You can see it's a clear trail. This is still the trail. Oh, gotta be careful. Look at this sharp. Okay. It's getting more dense now. Okay, no, I just saw something moving, so I think I'll come back with a parang or something. Oh, we'll explore later. You can see down from this slope, our campsite is there, right here. Okay. Using Gavin's fire to boil my eggs because I ran out of gas. This is my stove because I ran out of gas to make a bushcraft stove fire to put my stove. Okay, so this is my fire for boiling eggs. You can see it's a rolling ball now.
So basically, I speedboat here, speedboat back.
Storm is coming. Wow, look at that. There's a storm coming from that side. Tonight, simple dinner. This is the beef brisket from bear. Very tasty, just nice for dinner in the jungle. Finally, we get in on a plane. I'm going about 23. Hey guys. Our first time boating, so we just learned how to plane the boat. So now we can reach about 24, 25 kmh. Much faster now.